Hello, I'm from the Joy of Hiking, and I'm here to show you how to hook up a rappel. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the rope. We're going to find an anchor point. This is our anchor right here, this tree. We're going to hook up a rappel line, one that you would be able to retrieve once you get to the bottom of the cliff. So we're going to find the end of our rope. Like this. Find the end of the rope. Wrap one end around the tree. We're going to bring it over like this. We're going to make the two ends even. It's best if you tie a knot at the end of the rope. This is a preventive, so when you're rappelling down, you don't slip off the end of the rope. So we're going to pull it all like this, get it even. So it's doubled over, it's even. You gather up the rope. You're going to make sure that your rope reaches the bottom of the cliff for one thing. You're going to take your rope and you're going to chuck it off the edge of the cliff. What you're going to do is going to put the harness on first. Harness up. This belay loop goes in the front. If you have a belay loop, this goes in the front. If there is no belay loop, don't worry about it. You're just going to clip into this section anyway. Make sure you tighten down your waist belt. Some harnesses, this one here, self-locker, but some you have to take it back and back it through, put it back through the other side of the buckle and tighten it down. That keeps it from slipping. So take your locking carabiner and put it up through like this, like that there. Self-lockers are great. If you don't have a self-locker, you got to do a manual lock. And if you're using non-locking carabiners, you put two and you make them opposite each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up figure 8, and you want to, if you're right-handed, you're going to stand on the left-hand side of the rope. You stand on the left-hand side of the rope. You make like what's called a bite. It's called a bite right here, so that the working end, the loose end, is off to your right side. You put the two loops to the big end of the figure 8 around the small end. Clip into your carabiner like so. Make sure it's locked. Cinch it up like this. Your left hand goes on the rope for balance, side-to-side balance only. No death grips. If you make a death grip and you happen to let go of this hand here, you're still going to fall. You're still going to hit the ground. So this hand here always stays on the rope. You push it into the small of your back, which is the middle of your back right here, to stop, to cause friction. You put the rope around your waist here, push in your back. It causes friction on the figure 8, which causes you to not go anywhere. You bring it out like this to the side. You bring it like this, you lean back, and it slides backwards. If you can see that or not, do it again, give it slack, and the rope slides through. So say you're rappelling, you get to the end of the rope, you're at the bottom, or you disconnect your figure 8 like this, take this off like that. Make sure you clip this back on your carabiner. You don't want to drop it. You don't want to drop it on the rocks or drop it off the cliff or anything. Always keep that attached. And by the way, this does get hot from the friction from the rope when you're playing down, but when you're going down, you're not going to go fast. You're going to take it nice and slow. Get to the bottom of the cliff, and if you want to retrieve your rope, you're going to untie the knot at the bottom. Remember the knot we put so that you won't slide off the end. You untie the knot, you pull one end of the rope like this to retrieve your rope. And then it falls to the ground, and then you pick it up and you coil it.